This is a Learning Resource Center instructional video. In this video, you will learn how to make a journal request through the WISCAT catalog. So you went into our databases, you found an abstract to an article you really like, but you can't get the full text. So now you need to get it from WISCAT. So go ahead and start by opening up a web browser. Scroll to the bottom of the WITC main page and select the library. Now over on the left, you'll see all the different options of the library page. Go up about halfway and click on WISCAT. Now you can go ahead and select your campus. Now this is the beginning of the WISCAT catalog. You can go ahead and click on Begin. Now here's the basic search bar and all the catalogs that are tied to WISCAT. You can skip all that and just go right to Advanced Search. Now you already know the title of the journal that you're looking for because you found in our databases, so type that in, and over on the side you can see Media, select the arrow next to Media. Now a new window pops up. Go to the bottom, put a check mark next to Serials. This is only going to search for the serials in the WISCAT catalog now. Go ahead and click Submit. And now you can do your search. Now you can double check by looking at all the little symbols next to your search results. They should all be the same symbol, and that's for the serials. Now you can scroll through the results and find the title of the journal that you were looking for. Once you do that, you just go ahead and click on the title. Now the details on serial records are a little bit more bland because it's just generic. It's for the entire series of all the journals. But since you already know which specific journal you're looking for because you found the abstract in our databases, just go ahead and click on Request this item. Now copyright's going to pop up. Go ahead and read through this and you can click OK if you agree with it or cancel if you don't. If you don't agree with it, you can't request anything now. Now you notice that the form for requesting journals is quite a bit different. Because there are so many journals under the same title, you have to fill in fields such as author's name, title of the article, publication date, and all that kind of stuff. And you want to fill all this in to make sure you're getting the right journal. After you've done all the journal stuff, it's the same. You can create a password. You put in your last name, first name, phone number, email, and then you just go ahead and hit submit. And just like books and videos and stuff, it can take 2 to 3 weeks to come in. So make sure you have plenty of lead time before requesting a journal. Other than that, everything's very similar. So you just have to sit back and wait for your journal to arrive.